I'm Cory Meyer with Cory Meyer Real Estate, and wait till you see this one. 5 acres, dream workshop, and custom finishes everywhere. This place is unreal. This property has owned solar and one of the most amazing backyards for sitting and enjoying the outdoors. Sit by the fireplace in the foothills. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love the kitchen with granite countertops and hickory cabinets. It's super beautiful. This house has over 2,500 square feet. What an amazing setup. Oversized 3-car attached garage. You're gonna love this beautiful entry gate going right up the asphalt driveway to your beautiful home tucked in the woods.